Hey everyone, in this video, I will guide you step by step with pictures how you can install Apollo Group TV on Apple TV. So for that, just open any browser and search for Apollo Group TV installation guide. When you search this, the first website in front of you installation guides. Just simply click on this website. When you click on this, now here you can see the option called Android TV Box or Fire Stick. This is the main title. Under this title, you can see an option called Installing Apollo Group on Apple TV. Click on this one. When you click on this one, now you can see all the detail how you will follow the step-by-step guide install Apollo Group TV on Apple TV. Now when you open this, just scroll down a little bit and here you can see follow our simple installation guide. Just click on GSE and FLEX. These two are the links. Just click on any of the link and you will find all the instruction how you can install your Apollo Group TV on Apple TV.